You ready?
Oh, dude, you can at least give me some warning, man.
He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Then he's like, oh, you ready? Wait like that.
I don't know if you got more than I think we get.
No, I don't think you did.
That's pretty sure, right?
Hey, get down here. Drink it.
You got the floor.